This is Twit.
But first, a word from our sponsor. A sponsor I'm very proud to say I not only use, Steve Gibson uses, and we recommend heartily Bitwarden, the best password manager. Well, more than a password manager. They're a trusted leader in passwords, secrets, and passkey management. By the way, I love passkeys. I wish more sites used it. When it first came out, you had passkeys on your phone, you had passkeys on your computer. Now that Bitwarden supports passkeys, wherever you have Bitwarden, you have your passkeys. And that has been a big improvement in how passkeys works for me. Bitwarden now has 10 million users in 180 countries. This is an open source success story. Over 50,000 business customers too. In fact, they've entered 2025 as the essential security solution for businesses of all sizes, consistently ranked number one in user satisfaction by G2, recognized as a leader by Software Review's Data Quadrant. Bitwarden continues to protect businesses worldwide. One of the reasons I love Bitwarden, and I think it's because they're open source, they're always expanding their capabilities. They're always improving. Recently, they announced the general availability of their native mobile apps for iOS and Android. I did not realize this. I'd been using Bitwarden for years, but it wasn't a native app on iOS. I had no idea. And it's made a huge difference. You know, I guess it was an Electron app or a web view app. Key benefits of the native mobile app include on iOS and Android, faster load times, improved overall app functionality, iOS and Android platform-specific design, so it really, looks like it belongs on the platform. Much better hardware integration. In fact, that includes biometric authentication and multi-device support. So that's really enhanced usability. I love it when I can just do the Face ID in my Bitwarden and it's unlocked. They have strengthened their password manager now with SSH. This is really important. So if you use SSH, as I do, and you use a key to log into SSH, you can now store your authorized SSH keys in Bitwarden. This is huge. Up to 90% of authorized SSH keys in large organizations just go unused because it's not convenient. Well, now this new update centralizes cryptographic key management, not just SSH, but in general, enabling secure storage, import. You can even generate your SSH keys directly within the Bitwarden vault, which is a huge improvement for developers and IT professionals. I'm thrilled. I mean, I used to have to do a whole bunch of command line foo. What sets Bitwarden apart is that they prioritize simplicity because they understand if a security tool isn't easy to use, isn't simple, people aren't going to use it, right? Bitwarden's setup only takes a few minutes. You can easily import from most password management solutions. And of course, because it's open source, that means Bitwarden source code can be inspected by anyone. They undergo regular or third-party audits, and very importantly, they publish the full report. So you can see everything going on within Bitwarden and be reassured that it is absolutely secure. Look, your business deserves a cost-effective solution for enhanced online security. See for yourself. Get started today with Bitwarden's free trial of a Teams or Enterprise plan, or get started for free across all devices as an individual user. Bitwarden.com/twit. That's Bitwarden.com/twit. And by the way, let me underscore this. Because they're open source, if you're an individual user, it's free and you get all the capabilities, unlimited passwords, unlimited devices, iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, Linux. You also get passkeys. You also get hardware security keys. All of that in a free version, free forever for life. And that's nice. Bitwarden.com/twit.